Artificial intelligence, or AI, as it is more commonly known, is revolutionizing our world in ways we never thought possible. It's streamlining processes, solving complex problems, and even creating art. But here's the thing, while AI can assist, automate, and optimize many aspects of our lives, it can't live our lives for us. There are some experiences, some moments, some feelings that are uniquely human. So let's dive into 10 things that AI, no matter how advanced it becomes, can never truly do for you. 1. Living life firsthand. Picture this, you're standing at the summit of a mountain you've just climbed. Your muscles ache, your lungs burn, but the view is breathtaking. That moment of triumph, that rush of accomplishment, that's something AI can never experience. Sure, artificial intelligence can calculate the most efficient route up the mountain. It can even simulate the view. But it can't feel the wind on its face or the pride swelling in its chest. It might be able to win at chess or Go, but it doesn't savor the journey or celebrate hard-earned victories. It doesn't feel the emotional weight of a meaningful story or the bittersweet ache of nostalgia. When you finish that book you've been reading for weeks, or when you finally beat that video game level you've been stuck on for days, that sense of achievement is yours and yours alone. AI can solve puzzles in milliseconds, but it can't experience the thrill of the aha moment or the sting of failure that makes success so sweet. These moments, the highs and lows, the struggles and triumphs, they're what make life rich and meaningful. They're what make us human, and they're something that AI, no matter how sophisticated, can never truly replicate or experience. 2. Connecting with human emotions. Now, let's talk about emotions. It can tell you that a furrowed brow and increased heart rate might indicate stress. But can it understand what stress feels like? Can it empathize with your anxiety before a big presentation or share in your excitement about a first date? It can't truly understand the depth of human joy, the crushing weight of sorrow, or the fire of passion. It can't comfort a friend with a hug or share a laugh over an inside joke. Emotions are deeply personal, complex, and often irrational, qualities that make them uniquely human. When you're sharing a quiet moment with a loved one, or when you're moved to tears by a beautiful piece of music, those experiences are yours alone. Though AI might be able to recognize the signs of these emotions, it can't feel the warmth of love or the transcendence of beauty yet. These emotional connections, these shared human experiences are what bind us together and give our lives meaning. 3. Experiencing the essence of art. AI can create stunning visual art, compose music, and even write poetry. It can analyze the technical aspects of a painting, the brush strokes, the color palette, the composition. But can it truly grasp the essence of art? Art is more than just aesthetics. It's a reflection of culture, history, and human experience. When you stand before a Van Gogh painting, you're not just seeing swirls of color. You're feeling the artist's turbulent emotions. You're connecting with a moment in history. AI can replicate the style, but it can't infuse the work with the depth of human experience that makes art truly meaningful. Think about your favorite song. Maybe it reminds you of a specific time in your life, or maybe its lyrics speak to you on a deeply personal level. Artificial intelligence can analyze the melody, the rhythm, the lyrics, but it can't feel the way the music resonates with your soul. It can't understand how a simple combination of sounds can transport you to a different time and place, or how it can make you feel understood in a way that nothing else can. Art, in all its forms, is a uniquely human expression that goes beyond data or algorithms. It's a testament to our creativity, our emotions, and our shared human experience. 4. Savoring life's joys. Now, let's talk about joy. Pure, simple, unadulterated joy. I can't appreciate a breathtaking sunset, relish the taste of a home-cooked meal, or laugh uncontrollably at a joke. Imagine biting into your favorite food, the explosion of flavors on your tongue, the satisfaction of a craving fulfilled. That's something AI cannot experience. It can analyze the chemical composition of the food. It can even predict whether you'll like it based on your past preferences, but it can't savor the moment. Or think about the last time you laughed so hard your sides hurt. Maybe it was at a friend's silly joke or a ridiculous situation you found yourself in. AI might be able to generate humor based on algorithms and data, but it can't feel the release of tension that comes with a good laugh, or the bond that forms when you share a moment of hilarity with others. These simple pleasures, a beautiful day, a delicious meal, a moment of laughter, they're what make life worth living. They're the little joys that we often take for granted, but that add up to a life well lived. And there's something that AI, no matter how advanced, cannot truly experience or appreciate. 5. Understanding human struggles. Life isn't all joy and laughter, though. We all face struggles, challenges, and hardships. And while AI can analyze data and offer solutions, it doesn't truly comprehend human pain, resilience, or growth. When you're going through a tough time, maybe you've lost a job, ended a relationship, or are dealing with a health issue, AI can provide advice based on data and patterns. It might suggest coping strategies or offer practical solutions, but it can't understand the complexity of your emotions, the nuances of your situation, or the personal growth that often comes from overcoming adversity. AI doesn't know what it feels like to be knocked down and to get back up again. It doesn't understand the strength it takes to keep going when everything seems hopeless. It can't comprehend the satisfaction of overcoming a personal challenge or the wisdom gained from making mistakes and learning from them. These struggles, as difficult as they may be, are part of the human experience. They shape us, teach us, and help us grow. AI can assist us in many ways, but it can never truly understand or experience the depth and complexity of human resilience. 6. Building genuine relationships. Relationships are at the core of the human experience. Whether it's the bond between friends, the love between partners, or the connection within a family, these relationships give our lives meaning and depth. And this is another area where AI falls short. Sure, it can facilitate connections. It can match you with potential friends or partners based on shared interests or compatibility algorithms. It can even engage in conversations and provide companionship to some extent, but it can't build genuine, deep relationships. Trust, shared experiences, and emotional bonds are built through human connection, something AI cannot authentically replicate. It can't share in your joy when you succeed or offer a shoulder to cry on when you're hurting. Think about your closest relationships. The friend who knows exactly how to make you laugh when you're feeling down. The family member who can tell something's wrong just by the tone of your voice. The partner who supports your dreams and challenges you to be your best self. These connections are built on empathy, shared experiences, and genuine care, qualities that AI, no matter how advanced, can never truly possess. 7. Exploring the world with your senses. In this age of virtual reality and digital experiences, it's easy to forget the importance of real-world exploration. AI Assistant can offer travel recommendations or virtual tours, but it cannot replace the feeling of actually being there. Imagine walking through a bustling market in a foreign country. The vibrant colors of fresh produce and handmade crafts. The cacophony of voices haggling in a language you don't understand. The aroma of spices and street food wafting through the air. The feel of the sun on your skin and the uneven cobblestones under your feet. This sensory overload, this immersion in a different culture, it has something that can't be replicated by AI or experienced through a screen. Or think about standing on a beach, feeling the sand between your toes and the salty breeze in your hair, watching the sun set over the ocean, painting the sky in breathtaking hues of orange and pink. These moments of connection with nature, of being present in the world around you, they're uniquely human experience. Artificial intelligence can't feel the wonder of discovering a new place, the excitement of trying a new food, or the joy of making connections with people from different backgrounds. The world is meant to be experienced firsthand with all your senses engaged. 8. Making life's big decisions. Life is full of decisions, from the small everyday choices to the big, life-altering ones. And while AI can be incredibly helpful in providing information and analyzing data to assist in decision-making, it can't make those decisions for you. AI can suggest career paths based on your skills and interests, or recommend potential partners based on compatibility algorithms. It can provide pros and cons lists and probability calculations. But at the end of the day, the most meaningful decisions in life come from a combination of rational thought and gut feeling, a uniquely human process. When you're deciding whether to take that job offer in a new city, or whether to commit to a long-term relationship, or whether to pursue a passion project, there are so many factors at play. There's the logical consideration of pros and cons, sure, but there's also your personal values, your hopes and dreams, your fears and insecurities. There's the lessons you've learned from past experiences and the intuition you've developed over time. AI can process vast amounts of data, but it can't understand the weight of these decisions. It can't feel the mix of excitement and terror that comes with taking a big risk. It can't appreciate the personal growth that often comes from making difficult choices. These decisions shape our lives and our identities. They're ours to make, for better or worse. 9. Cherishing life's moments. Life is made up of moments, some big, some small, all significant in their own way. Artificial intelligence does not live in the moment or form memories tied to emotions. It doesn't reflect on the past or anticipate the future with excitement or nostalgia. Think about a cherished memory. Maybe it's your wedding day, the birth of a child, or a special vacation with loved ones. Or perhaps it's something simpler, a quiet evening at home with family, a heartfelt conversation with a friend, or a moment of personal achievement. These memories are precious not just because of what happened, but because of how they made you feel. AI can record events and even analyze their significance based on various factors, but it can't feel the warmth of nostalgia when a certain song comes on the radio. It can't experience the bittersweet ache of looking at old photographs. It can't appreciate how certain moments, both good and bad, shape us and stay with us throughout our lives. Humans have the unique ability to reflect on their past, to learn from it, to find meaning in it. We treasure meaningful experiences and grow from them in ways that AI never can. Our memories, our moments, they're ours to hold on to cherish, and to learn from. 10. Discovering yourself and your place in the universe. Finally, there's the journey of self-discovery. AI can analyze data and suggest career paths or hobbies based on your skills and interests, but it cannot help you truly understand yourself or find your place in the world. Self-discovery is a deeply personal journey that requires introspection, experimentation, and lived experiences. It's about understanding your values, your passions, your strengths and weaknesses. It's about figuring out what gives your life meaning and purpose. I might recommend a job based on your skills, but it can't grasp your deepest passions or your wildest dreams. It can't understand the satisfaction you feel when you're doing something you love, or the restlessness you feel when you're not living up to your potential. It can't appreciate the complexity of human nature, how we can be full of contradictions, how we can grow and change over time. Moreover, AI can't ponder the big questions of existence. It can't marvel at the vastness of the universe and contemplate our place in it. It can't experience the awe of realizing how small we are in the grand scheme of things, yet how significant each of our lives can be. This journey of self-discovery and finding our place in the world, it's uniquely human. It's often messy and confusing, filled with wrong turns and unexpected revelations, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's what gives our lives depth and meaning, and it's something that AI, no matter how advanced, can never do for us. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly powerful. It can enhance efficiency, provide valuable insights, and assist us in countless ways, but it cannot live our lives for us. The world is meant to be lived, felt, and explored by you. So for anyone wondering what humans will do when AI takes over all the work, we will simply have more time to live and experience life, to savor the joys, face the challenges, build meaningful relationships, explore the world, make big decisions, cherish our moments, and continue on our journey of self-discovery. Because these are the things that make life rich and meaningful. These are the things that make us human. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we will see you next time